out on the bathtub, Old Shaner, Pineview Reservoir, and it is super not hot. Old Shaner hasn't even caught a fish yet, so I don't know what to tell you. It's looking pretty bleak. Perfect time to catch a fish, Shane. Well, I broke the skunk, little baby perch, up at Pondview with a Berkley pinched worm on a fucking drop shot rig. So there we go. There he goes. Right, fish number 2, little crappie on the drop shot rig with pinched worm. I'll try to show you this setup real quick. Throw him back. Bye, dude. Have a good one. Got a bell sinker tied onto the end. About, I want to say 20 inches to just a hook. The pinched worm rubber Berkley's bait. Then up to my swivel. There we go. Old crop number 2. Still a little bit undersized to be keeping. Go bite Shane's line. Let him have a good day. Well, here we are, well into the night. Haven't caught shit since I caught those perch and 2 crappie. I had a couple bites here for a second and missed them. Old Shaner's over there, angling his heart out, fishing on until he gets the fish on. But yeah, not hot at all. Well, it's been a while since I got a fish and a while since I caught a catfish, but got a little catfish out of Pineview. Well, Shane did it. He caught a crappie, not getting skunked. Shane got himself a catfish. I just got one out of the water and it fell off my hook as soon as I got it out of the water. Shane's kind of wishing that would happen for him right now. Well, me and Old Shaner found the catfish, but that's about it. Got ourselves a little fucking mudcat hole. Yeah, fucking slime rocket. Shane's got himself another catfish. And he's loving it.
Who's loving it?
You are.
Catfish?
You're loving it.
Catching a catfish?
Yeah. A catfish that you don't want to fucking eat at that. Catfish not worth eating.
That was kind of worth fucking killing.
Well, you all aren't gonna believe this. Another catfish. Well, here I am up to Echo Reservoir, and we have to navigate this trail down to the shoreline, so not taking the big tackle box today, just the little pouch. And wish me luck on my journey down there. Well, I made it down to the shoreline, pretty much unscathed. Hopefully I can find that trail back in the dark. So I don't think it'll be that hard. Yeah, I can see it from here. But let's try to catch fish. Well, I scaled down that hill for nothing. Not even a bite. I don't know what I'm doing from here. I'll go look at the marina, see what's up, and then either try and fish or go home. Well, it's been a real shit show. After I climbed up back up that hill at Echo, couldn't find access anywhere else, decided, well, I'll cruise down to Willard Bay. I got time. Got there just before 10 o'clock and they had already closed the gates. They closed up early. Assholes. Bountiful Pond, I've been meaning to check out. I mean, it sucks. You can only catch 2 fish. You can only keep 2 fish. But I just wanted to check it out, so go out here and check out Bountiful Pond for a minute and see what happens, then go home. Now, set up here on this fishing dock here. Honestly, water seems pretty gross. I seen 2 dead fish and a dead duck on my walk over here. So yeah, there's that. But we're gonna see if we pull a fish out of here. All that for a baby catfish. A baby catfish. There he goes. I don't know what to say. Maybe it's just bullhead season. They're not even as big as the ones at Pineview. Oh, well, alright. So Pineview, pretty good. I caught 2 crappie, Shane caught a crappie, I caught a perch, and then it was all bullheads. Echo, scaled a friggin' hill to get down onto the shore. Tried it. Maybe if I would have just spent the whole night there, maybe I would have caught something better. Willard Bay closed. Not happy about that. And Bountiful Pond, more bullheads. More bullheads. So yeah, take it as it is. I guess it's bullhead season. I don't know. I really don't want to fish anywhere that has bullhead right now. I mean, a fish is a fish is a fish when you're just going out to catch fish, but catching a bullhead is about like shooting a jackrabbit on the deer hunt. But I caught fish. I'm out of my skunk, and I'm gonna stay happy about that. So until next time, fish on until you get a fish on.